You have learned acid, bases and salts. We have reviewed this lesson, their definitions. You are also knowing the sour and bitter taste of food are due to acids and bases respectively present in them. So, in everyday life, there are examples of acid, bases and salts. In this lesson, you have seen some main points. What are acids? What are acid-base indicators? Acid-base indicators are dyes or mixtures which are used to indicate presence of acid and base, their acidic nature of the substance, then chemical properties of acid and bases. What are the salts? How acidic and basic solutions behave in the water. What is their conductivity, that is conduction of electricity. The strength of acid and base means they are strong acids or weak bases and strong bases. pH indicator scale, acid bases neutralization reaction, and crystallization is the fixed number of water molecules, water of crystallization, and salts which have various uses in everyday life. According to these all main parts, that is what you have learnt in the lesson, we will see those questions. So, we will go for the first questions. You have been provided with 3 test tubes. One of them contain distilled water, other 2 contain acidic solution and basic solution respectively. If you have given only red litmus paper, how will you identify the contents of each test tube? Now we can, and the solution which has no effect on any litmus paper will be neutral and hence it will be distilled water. Thus these test tube contain, one is acidic, another is basic, and where there is no effect of litmus is distilled water, it is neutral in nature. Which gas is usually liberated when we will make the arrangement of the apparatus in which we have to take one test tube. In that we will add some zinc granules, add 5 ml of any acid, it may be HCl or sulfuric acid, fix it with one whole rubber cork with the bent pipe. Then when we add the 5 ml of sulfuric acid around the zinc granule, that is surface of the zinc granule, there you will see the effervescence of the gas. That gas will be collected at the empty place of the test tube and it will be carried through the bent pipe into the vessel containing soap solution. Then we will find which gas is formed during this reaction. So when it is passed through the soap solution, the bubbles of the soap will trap, the hydrogen gas is produced because hydrogen is not soluble in the water, and when we take burning candle near to this bubble, then it will produce the pop sound. Thus this reaction is that zinc plus H2SO4, it will give salt, that is zinc sulfate ZnSO4 and hydrogen gas. So by this arrangement or the test, we will easily find out which gas is formed. So what is the test for the hydrogen gas? So you will see this test. Go for the next question. Metal compound A, acid. While diluting an acid, why it is recommended that the acid solution be added to the water and not water to the acid? Heat changes some of the water to the steam explosively, which can splash the acid on one's face or clothes and cause acid burn. Therefore, it is recommended that acid should be added dropwise to the water and not water to the acid in order. How is the concentration of hydronium ion? How is the concentration of hydroxide ions, that is OH minus? You have two solutions, A and what effect does concentration of H plus in aqueous solution have on the nature of the solution? You know that H plus ion, aqueous ions, shows the acidic nature. More is the concentration of hydrogen ions, that is H plus ions, higher is the acidic nature, that is strength of acid increases with increase in H plus ion concentration. Do the basic solution also have H plus? What is the common name of the compound? Name the sodium compound which is used. Sodium carbonate. So, here you will see this reaction and its statement: when sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated, it right. And why should curd and sour substances are which gas? Metal compound A react with dilute hydrochloric acid to produce effervescence. The gas evolved extinguishes a burning candle. Write a balanced chemical equation for the reaction if one of the compound form is calcium chloride. So, here already you are knowing that when any acid react with metal hydrogen carbonate, it shows decarboxylation reaction, means carbon dioxide get released. So, here they have told that one of the compound formed during this reaction is calcium, means calcium chloride. Therefore, you can see the answer is that the gas that extinguishes a burning candle is carbon dioxide, which is formed by the action of dilute hydrochloric acid on a metal carbonate and produces effervescence. Since one of the compound form is calcium chloride, it shows that the metal compound is calcium carbonate, and thus compound A is calcium carbonate and product will be calcium carbonate react with the hydrochloric acid to give calcium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. Why do HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, HNO3, that is nitric acid, show acidic characters in aqueous solutions, while solutions of compounds like alcohol and glucose, HCl and HNO3? Why does an aqueous solution of acid conduct electricity? Here you are knowing that the aqueous solution of the acid, they conduct electricity because when they are added into the water, they dissociate and they form H plus ions. They separate H plus ions and therefore they are able to conduct the electricity. Why does dry HCl gas, while diluting an acid, it is recommended that acid should be added to the water and not water to the acid. Diluting an acid should be done by adding concentrated acid to the water gradually, means drop by drop with stirring, and not by adding water to the concentrated acid. The heat is evolved gradually when concentrated acid is added to the water for diluting an acid. Thus, large amount of water is easily absorbed. If, however, water is added to the concentrated acid to dilute it, a large amount of heat will be evolved at once, and the heat generated may cause the mixture to splash out. That is, acid will splash out during this activity on our face or clothes and cause the acid burns. How is concentration of hydrobase is diluted by mixing more water greater than 7 shows basic nature. Thus, according to this question, we can see the pH of solution is inversely proportional to its hydrogen ion concentration. This means that greater is the pH, lower is the acidic nature, and lower is the pH will have means more hydrogen ion concentration. In this case, the solution A is having pH lower than 7. So, it will have more hydrogen ion concentration, and solution A will show acidic and solution B will show basic nature. More is the pH, less is the acidic character, and less is the hydrogen ion concentration. Therefore, solution B is basic, solution A is acidic, and the acidic solution has more hydrogen ion concentration, basic solution has lower hydrogen ion concentration. What effect does the concentration of H plus ion have on the nature of the solution? The basic solutions, they do not have H plus ions, but if there is presence of H plus ions or hydrogen atoms in the given basic solution, they are far less. Their concentration is far less, and OH minus ion concentration is more. So, H plus ions, as the solution has excess of OH minus ion concentration, so they show basic nature. What is the common name of compound CaOCl2? The common name of compound calcium hypochloride is bleaching powder. What will happen if solution of sodium hydrocarbonate is heated? Give the equation of the reaction involved. Sodium carbonate and carbon dioxide are involved when sodium hydrocarbonate is heated. It is metal hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is metal. Write an equation to show the reaction between plaster of Paris and water. Plaster of Paris has very remarkable property of setting into hardness or hard mass of wetting with water. When small amount of water is added to the plaster of Paris, it gets specific hardness. So, when water is added to a plaster, you know that distilled water has equal amount of H plus and OH minus ions and they do not conduct electricity. But the rainwater, it has some impurities mixed into it like acid, bases or salt into it and they are in dissolved form. Therefore, this rainwater conduct electricity. This can be explained as the rainwater while falling on the earth. Why do acids not show? Here 5 solutions A, B, C, D, E are given. They are tested with universal indicator. Showed pH. A has pH 4, B solution has pH 1, C solution has pH 11, D solution has. You can see this chart and you will understand the nature of the solution according to the pH. Here is the arrangement of these solutions according to their increasing order of hydrogen ion concentration. Hydrogen ion concentration is more in acidic solution and it is very less in basic solution. So, the solution B whose pH is 1, it will have more hydrogen concentration than solution A which has less hydrogen ion concentration and solution C will have very less hydrogen ion concentration where OH minus ion concentration will be increased. Equal lengths of magnesium ribbons are taken in test tubes A and B. Hydrochloric acid Cl is added to the test tube A, while acetic acid CH3COOH added to the test tube B, in which test tube will fizzing occur more vigorously and why? As this acidic acid, fresh milk has pH 6. How do you think the pH will change as it turns into curd? You are knowing that curd is sour. It gets changed into some acid. Therefore, as fresh milk has pH 6, when this is changed into the curd, its pH will get lower down. So, pH will change to below 6 as lactic acid is formed due to the curd formation. Milk turns into the curd because there is formation of lactic acid takes place. Give two important uses of washing soda and baking soda. These both have uses in everyday life. We will see the uses of washing soda. It is often used as an electrolyte. It is also used for washing purpose of the clothes and vessels. Domestically, it is used as a water softener during the laundry. Now baking soda. Baking soda, it is used to test garden soil for the acidity. If it develops bubbles, the soil is too acidic. Means why it develops bubble? Because the hydrogen gas which comes out, it is not dissolved in the water, but in the soap solution it forms the bubble. Thus, acidity of the soil can be checked with the use of baking soda. Washing a car with baking soda can remove dead bug bodies without damaging the paint. Therefore, paint or color of the car remain as is it. Thus, these are the everyday life uses of the baking soda, as well as you are knowing that baking soda is used for the baking product. These all are the question answers from the lesson acid, bases and salt.